Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make secret video recordings on both iPhone and Android devices using the XX Camera app. If you have ever wanted a discreet way to capture videos, this app has you covered. I will guide you through everything from setting it up to recording like a pro, so stick around and let's dive in. The XX Camera app is a powerful tool that allows you to record videos privately and in the background. Whether your phone screen is off or you are multitasking, this app ensures that your recording goes uninterrupted. It is perfect for capturing moments discreetly without drawing attention. Some of the key features of the XX Camera app include background recording videos even when your phone is locked or the screen is off, customizable schedule. You can set a timer to automatically start and stop recording at specific times. Privacy control. You can change the app icon, enable password and adjust other privacy settings to ensure your recordings remain secure. And finally, minimal resource usage. You can monitor and manage how much RAM and storage the app makes use of. So let's go into how to set up the XX Camera. First, download the XX Camera app from your device app store, install and open it. And some of the initial setup includes opening the app and navigating to the settings menu, customizing your privacy settings such as enabling lock screen password or changing the app icon to something less conspicuous. The app will request access to your camera, microphone and storage. Make sure you grant all the necessary permission for seamless functionality. Now let's look at starting the video recording. You can start video recording manually by opening the app and clicking on the start recording button. Once activated, the app will begin recording in the background. You can minimize the app or lock your screen without interrupting recording. Another way of starting recording is scheduled recording. To begin scheduled recording or to set up scheduled recording, navigate to the Add Schedule option in the app. Set a specific time and duration for the recording, and the app will automatically begin and stop recording based on your schedule. Some of the advanced features on the XX Camera app in the areas of privacy settings include enable preview mode to toggle live previews of your recordings on or off, changing the homepage theme to personalize the app's appearance, and using notification settings to suppress alerts for discrete operation. Some advanced features in the aspect of storage management include monitoring how much storage and RAM are being used directly from the app, and easily accessing and managing all saved recordings within the app's gallery. Now here are some tips for effective use. Number 1. Be discreet. Customize the app icon and use the lock screen feature to keep the app hidden from prying eyes. Secondly, optimize storage. Regularly delete unwanted recordings to free up space on your device. And number 3, test features. Before using the app in important situations, familiarize yourself with the interface and features. The XX Camera app is a game changer for discrete video recording on both iPhone and Android devices. With its powerful background recording capabilities, customizable schedules, and robust privacy options, it is a must-have tool for anyone looking to record videos privately. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest content. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want me to cover other apps like this. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.